says to see is to believe. Ang mga tao sasabihin nila sa'yo, pakita mo muna sa akin bago ako maniwala. Kapag humuhugot ka, nakakalaya ka.
The power of God is unleashed.
How can we able to find the answer if we cannot even remember the best love? Kahit na anong bigat ng pinagdadaanan mo, kahit na anong lalim ng pinagdadaanan mo, your Creator will clear out everything. The best is yet to come. Believe and you will see. Believe and later on you will see the results. You just need to believe.